Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the face is already full on done because guys, today's video is not about this. Okay, it's about this palette. Oh my god, I've been waiting to try this palette on camera for a very long time. Trust me, I've just opened this and I've taken a look at the eyeshadows. I've not even swatched the eyeshadows. You believe me, you best believe me, I did not even touch a single eyeshadow because I wanted to do it on camera for you guys for the first time. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this bad boy, which I suck at. I don't know why, guys. I mean, like, so many YouTubers are like so flawless. So this is the product, these are the eyeshadows, and I'm like these are the I don't know why I'm like that. But anyways, this is the bad boy. Oh, just look at this. Just look at this. Let's just take a moment. Let's take a 2-minute silence and just appreciate how gorgeous this eyeshadow palette looks. I have a huge girl crush on her, by the way. Just look at her. I think I'm not gonna suck at this time. Okay. I have huge hopes on myself. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the packaging is A1. It's A plus, or it's both. What is the phrase that is usually used? Is it A1 or is it A plus? Well, it's both. So I really like this eyeshadow. I mean, just look at this. I mean, it did come with this inside it, but I didn't know how to show you guys that. But yeah, it came with this. Also very gorgeous. This eyeshadow palette comes with 18 eyeshadows in 4 ready to layer textures, 8 mattes, 6 pressed pearls, 3 duochrome toppers, and 1 daring glitter. So obviously this eyeshadow right here is the glitter. This is the pressed glitter. I mean, this is like, let's swatch it. Okay. Oh, okay, it's literally glitter, and I think I pressed it too hard. Oh, but yeah, this is the glitter, guys. I mean, my eyeliner. Okay, so this is like straight on glitter, and I think you need to use a glitter glue for this. Oh, but it's so gorgeous. You know what, there is one shade. This is too light, which I wanted to swatch, so I'm just gonna swatch that for you guys. Ooh, Prata. This is a duochrome shade, guys. I don't know if my lights are even doing justice to how gorgeous this eyeshadow looks. Oh, so pretty. I mean, when I first went into Sephora to buy this eyeshadow palette, this was the only shade that I swatched, and I just loved it. Absolutely loved it. Oh, my camera is not at all doing justice to this, guys. Trust me, it's a gorgeous shade. Okay, anyways, enough with this swatching. I just want to get into this eyeshadow and just play with it. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to set my eyelid. There is literally like 2% fallout in this. That's it. In this shade, there is literally no fallout. Jala. Okay. So once we have said that, I'm going to go into the shade Amber, which is this, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade today. So I'm just gonna grab my brush. I'm gonna find my brush. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna go into the shade Amber, and I'm going to use, oh wow, this is like truly pigmented, guys. Ooh, okay. I'm going to lay this in my transition. I think I'm going to use the shade Cosmo today, guys, which was the glitter eyeshadow that I showed you. I think I'm going to use that shade. It's been such a long time since I've used a glitter on my eyelids. Very long time, actually. Oh, this is a really pretty shade, guys. So pigmented. This is the second Huda Beauty palette that I'm using, guys. I mean, I'm trying. I think the first one was the Electric Obsessions palette, which was also very, very amazing. I used it in one of my Instagram makeup tutorials, but yeah, I've never really used the first palette that she came out with. So I think we have pretty much laid down that shade. It blended out beautifully. I did not have any problems in blending that eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to use the shade Saffron, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to put it right below my transition shade. All of these are so pigmented, guys. They're so beautiful. I'm just gonna put it like below the transition. Next, I'm going to take a clean blending brush, and then I'm just gonna blend this out. So this is a clean blending brush. Just gonna blend this out. I'll put this glitter on my eyelid. So before doing that, I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue, which is this. I absolutely love this glitter glue. Does an amazing job. So yeah, I'm going to use this glitter glue and put it on my eyelids, and on top of that, I'm going to put the glitter. So I'll just put on this glue and I'll be right back. Wow, that looks amazing. Even with the glitter glue, guys, there is some fallout in this eyeshadow. I mean, that's the case with every glitter eyeshadow, or you have to be really careful while using them. So yeah, I'm just taking my clean finger and just patting it wherever I put the glitter glue on. So I'm sorry, guys, if I'm not able to speak as much while doing this, because it's difficult. I mean, I really have to concentrate. So sorry about that. For the eyes, I absolutely love how the glitter looks. I've missed using glitter on my eyelids, guys. Absolutely love this shade as well. By the way, this shade is called as Cosmo. Did I mention that? I don't think I mentioned that. So this shade is Cosmo. Oh, absolutely love it. I also darkened up my outer corners with saffron, this shade, a little bit after. Oh god, wait. I darkened up my focus. Yeah, I darkened up my outer corners with saffron once again after I put down the glitter, and I blended it out. While putting on glitter, guys, you have to be really careful while you're blending that eyeshadow, because if you go in with a heavy hand, and if you're blending like a bit aggressively, the glitter, there's a chance that the glitter will start falling on your face. You have to be really careful while you're blending out your eyeshadow after you've laid down your glitter. So there's that. So that's it for the outer eyelid, for the upper eyelid. I think I'm going to do my lower lash line now. So for that, I'm going to take a small brush like this, and I'm going to take the shade Saffron once again, and I'm going to put it very close to my lower lash line. The shades are very intense, guys, so it's better to go in with a lighter hand. Guys, maybe I'm going to take the shade Nefertiti. Titi. Nefertiti. Okay, I'm going to use this shade. This shade. Ooh, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna slightly bring this onto my lower lash line as well, guys. So good. Slightly highlighting my brow. Slightly. So yeah guys, so I think that's it for the eyes. I'm just gonna quickly go off camera, apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, I've put on my false lashes and I've put on mascara as well. I don't know why one side of my eyelash looks so different from the other one. They are from the same brand. They are the same Kiss eyelashes that I always use. I don't know why they look so different, but yeah, I also put on some mascara and I used a brown eyeliner in my lower lash line today. Next we'll move on to our lips. I want to go bold today guys. I mean, I feel like it's been such a long time since I've done a bold lip. I don't know, is it just me? I don't know. I just feel that it's been a really long time. I love reds. So I'm gonna take this Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. I think this is from the brand ADS Pro. Yeah, I think this is from ADS Pro Cosmetics, and this is Matte Me, and the shade is Chrome Red 421. So that's what this is. I don't know if where we can buy this online guys. Actually, I don't remember where I bought this and where I think that I got this in a gift or something. I don't know, I don't remember. So I'm just gonna use this lip today because I don't know, bold eyes, bold lips, I like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my lips. I've already moisturized my lips guys, because I usually put a lot of lip balm on my lips whenever I'm using a matte liquid lipstick, because they just tend to just dry my lips out. So that is how I prep my lips. I also want to put on blush today guys. I don't know why I'm feeling so fancy. I'm literally not going anywhere after I film this video. I'm literally just gonna take off my makeup and just edit the video. So well, at least for the photos, right? So I'm just gonna use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Highly raved blush guys, highly raved about blush. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna put it. Today, oh god, I cannot believe I applied blush today, but yeah, I absolutely like how this looks guys. So hi guys, this is the finished makeup look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. My hair is falling apart, but we are going to ignore that. I love the bold lip and bold eyes guys. I know not many enjoy doing bold lips with bold eyes. Many do like bold eyes and then a nude lip, but as I told you, I feel like nude lips don't really suit me, and I missed using a red lipstick, so I used it in today's look. So I did that. So yeah guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely loved using this eyeshadow palette guys. Definitely it was a worth it for me. I mean, the glitter did get like pretty much on my cheeks, but I love glitter, so I could bathe in glitter. So I absolutely liked this. I liked how the mattes blended out. I liked the pearl eyeshadow that I used in my inner corners. Absolutely loved it. The glitter was amazing. It was easy to use. And yeah, I want to use the duochromes in this eyeshadow palette, which I think I will be using in my upcoming videos as well, because I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm glad today I finally got to sit down and play with it. So yeah, and also guys, I did my face in a very different way today. The foundation and the concealer and the powders and everything, I did it in a different way, and I actually like how my face looks guys. I think it looks more radiant. Oh god, my hair. I actually think it looks more radiant. It looks so different. It looks so brightened up. I don't know, I like how it looks. I was just testing out this routine today, and I think I enjoy it, and I think I'll show you how I did my full face routine in my upcoming video. So yeah, so there's that. I hope you enjoy this video guys. Please do not forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. And also please do not forget to like this video as well. Bye. Oh my god, I forgot to have my color one. Let's do this. Yeah, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. I love highlighting, I love highlighting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, that sounded so much like Jeffree Star. Okay. Hi guys. Okay.